demolition dance. That's okay. Oh goodness.
I think that was part of her dance. Hurry it up! The song stuff. You took like 2 minutes for the song. And then, yeah, 2 minutes. Seconds. What's your coffee? I have a lot of coffees.
Is there more to the song or that's it?
There's more. There's more. Yeah, there's more. That's it. You're done? No. We're done! No, we're not. We're not done the show. That's hard.
Oh, that's not the end of the show?
Nope. Okay, we don't need the rest of the song.
Where's the grand finale?
We're almost there.
Yeah, because we got to do our shirts.
I thought you were all going at the same time.
Yeah, we got one too. Yes, we are. We are. It's just you. Mama, can you give me some water?
You know where the water is?
Kicker.
I'm not doing it.
Kicker.
After Peyton's dance, we're going to go do our shirts, okay?
We're not done yet. We're almost done.
Group one.
Okay.
Okay. No. And then
Okay.